The question is a lot of people get to me and say, how can I work? How can I make my job save on Google Drive? Yeah, one thing about it is a good news about it is a good thing about it is Google has given us a certain amount of space on our archive. So all what you just need to do is once you have you know where your documents, like now I want to save a client's job and I want to move everything from my folder to my client's job. From the folder I've set everything. I want them to download the jobs by themselves. All what you just have to do is this is where my folder is. I've named it. This is the folder I want to pick. So it's on my memory card, external drive. So all what I have to do is all what I have to do is I come to my Google account. Oh, sorry. Let me put on my Wi-Fi. My internet connection is off. So I Google Apps. So you click on this Google Apps. It's going to show you a lot of accounts. So you understand? I have an account for myself. I have an account for my organization. So, and you can also, sorry for this important information, you can also increase and upgrade the numbers, the value you want to have on your Google Drive. Like I make a subscription of, I think it was 100 gig. You can make 100 gig, 200 gig because Google will give you initially, they'll give you 15 gig. So after that 15 gig, you cannot save anything on the Google again. Sorry for all these ones. It's a mistake. I need to close everything down. So let me just do that. And my light tone is popping up. Let me do that and force quit. So that will not come up again. Force to quit. So now once you get that, once you know the amount of job, maybe let's say like you want to upload a job that is lower than 15 gig, you can just log into your Google account from your Chrome, come to this angle. Once you come to this angle here, you click on it and it will show you a lot of, because a lot of people have been saying, where will I see Google Chrome, where will I see everything? Then you come down here. Once you come down here, a lot of people have been asking me where will I see my drive. How can I upload on my drive? So you come down to this place, you see drive, then you click on drive. Once after clicking on drive, it will open all your documents on drive. Now for my own drive, I've upgraded from 15 gig to 100 gig. So I have 100 gig. I think that is enough for me to deliver my job to my clients. The clients download it, I remove it. Sure, you understand? For no reason will I have a job that will be more than 100 gig. So once I give them and I'll let them know they have a minimum or maximum numbers of like maximum 1 month for them to download the job, and after downloading I can just remove it. Sure, you understand? Based on Niger stuff now. So get notification on your desktop and file important events turn on. You can turn on. It depends on you. That depends on you. Google Drive allows. Okay, let's turn it on. It depends on your choice. You can decide to turn on and you can decide to off the notification. So now there we go. You can. It's a very simple thing. If you are using your desktop, it's the most easiest method, because if you are still using your phone, you have to be selecting and be creating the folder. Now let's go straight to the job. I think I have a job. My clients requested for it. Okay, let me align it with folder. You can see you can do files, you can do folder. So it's better for you to do folder so that you'll be able to know the folder you want to work on. I have a lot of jobs here already. Sure you get. So, but I want to work on this Dominate at 25th and Deji Folami at 60. So I have the job already. So my clients requested for a better it's not complete. So I've added a lot of stuff to it. And I've also removed their assets. So I need to pull it down, not to give them that. Then I need to give them a new version. Sure, you understand. So I'll have to send this, move to bin. I'll send that to bin. Then I have my file created already. Some of the time you can also input. Okay, let me do that. So the next thing is just for me to come to new, here, up here by your left hand. You come to new, click on new. It will now ask you new folder, new file upload, folder upload. So it depends on you. You know, we have folders, we have file. So for me, I want to upload a lot of content, a lot of jobs. So I will not be selecting it one by one, one by one. I've created it in that folder. Then I know I want to select all these pictures. So all the pictures I want to select is over 200. So, and they're also in a folder. So I'll just come to folder upload. So that means I'm telling the file that I want to upload the folder. So no need of you telling me maybe one or two. So I'll just come. This was the last place I uploaded. So it's pop-ups. So if you think you don't know where, maybe in case you are using this one and your system is giving you different things, just come to this side. Check where you save your job, maybe your desktop, maybe your download, maybe your pictures, maybe your documents. Sure, you understand. So you just pick from this place. Once you pick from this place where your folders are, and if you want, if you have it on an extra drive, say you see mine is on extra drive. So I have it has been highlighted. So I will just come to the folder already and I'll click on the, I showed you the folder at the beginning. So you can see even the pictures are not being highlighted for me to upload. Sure, you understand. I can go back and select the folder. You can see immediately I selected the folder. Even without selecting the folder, it's saying upload. So if I select the folder, I have access to login to check, see all the pictures I want to deliver, see all the pictures. So I cannot be sending this one to them one by one, one by one, one by one. Sure, you understand. So I think from this place, I will just have to upload it immediately. I will now click on upload. Then I will upload to 249 files to this site. This will upload all files from Dominate. You see, it's going to tell you where you're uploading from. Only do this if you trust the site. Sure, you understand. Then since I trust the site and I know say na me do am, so I could just do it in. I could just upload. Thank you. Then you come down to this level, you start saying this is a minute for you to know minutes left, not the total uploading stuff. You can see is it has begun. The job has begun. So 3 out of 249 is 4 out of 249. So you just leave it there, leave your system and let it do its thing like that. Do you understand? Let it do its thing like that. As simple as ABC. And at the completion, once it's completed, once it's done, you get a notification that it is done. Then you can just disconnect. Simple. It's on the cloud already. Then the next thing is now for you to. I'm going to do another video where you are going to let it. Once it's done, where you are going to, or let me just use one of these folders so that I will not do another video. So once it's done, you can easily now have access to do all the remaining ones. Somebody like me, I love uploading on my system and granting access on my phone. So I can easily just grant access on my phone. You just come to this place. Once you come here, you can easily share. Once you click on share, I've highlighted. Let's say I want to. This was the folder I uploaded, and I click on it. You come here, and you are going to see share. Once you see share, it's going to tell you is either you copy a link or you share, because you can request for the person to give you their email, and you can also send a link to them that okay, now your link be this, so just use it. But it's more professional when you ask a client to drop their mail. So once you ask the client to drop their mail, you just get their mail and you post it. Once you are clicking on this one, it will load. It's loading. Let it pop up. So by this time, it's going to tell you add people's group and calendar event. So you just what you have to do is do not delete my app. Okay. So you are just going to anyone with the link. You can either share, you understand, but I prefer doing it on my phone. I'll share the link. So anyone, that's all. Thank you. Peace out.